Good to see you, man. Give me a hug.
Yeah.
It's been a minute, dude. Good to see you. Walk us through what we have here, Saul.
Yeah, you can go potatoes, garlic, ginger, mint, cilantro, onions, tomatoes, and you can use the Thai chilies or serrano chili, and then all these spices that I use.
There you go. So first things first, we're gonna start with the filling, right?
Yeah, julienne the onions, the serrano chilies, like ginger.
Is this how you would normally peel?
Yeah, this is how I put all these on top. Always peel ginger with your spoon. All right, so I'm gonna put garlic, ginger, and serrano chilies. Where I came from, we don't have a food processor or blender, and it's just what my grandma would use.
This looks like the start to a really nice salsa.
Canola oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds. We're gonna toast it. We want to see this extra sizzling. So now we're gonna add this in. Okay. I like to have like a teaspoon of garam masala. Now we're gonna get potatoes. Potatoes are slightly blanched for about 10 minutes, I'd say. Salt. Now this is the time that you can have more oil. All right, let's
Looks nice. Try it.
Cilantro.
Yeah.
See now the color, smells
That smells amazing.
different now. Okay, samosa fillings. Yes.
Sort of like a tortilla thickness.
Tortilla thickness.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is actually a really great trick. Anytime we're actually making a stuffed situation, keeping the bottom liner on really helps to kind of maneuver the masa without like letting it get stuck in your hands. So yeah, show us how it's done. And how long do we give it to cook?
3 to 4 minutes.
3 to 4 minutes, because the
Yeah.
inside's already cooked. So it's
Exactly.
really just making sure the masa gets
Right,
cooked through.
cooked through.
So these we can let cool for a little bit, and we can make the chutney while they cool down.
Yes.
Beautiful. Let's do it.
All right, I'm gonna put serrano chilies, tomatoes. It's tomato.
Cool.
Right.
So serve it up. So chutney, that's it. It's just a dip.
Chutney's just dip. Need that.
Thanks for being here. Okay.
You have to eat it.
For this recipe and more like it, check out my book, Masa, Techniques, Recipes, and Reflections on a Timeless Staple. Available wherever books are sold. And don't forget to like and subscribe down here somewhere. Thank you.